Are you working or studying?
I'm working as a clerk in an international bank.
What's your responsibility?
I'm dealing with clients who have business cooperation with our bank, and my job is to make sure that we have smooth cooperation.
How do you like your job?
I enjoy doing my job because I can deal with different people and negotiate with them. I work closely with people from all walks of life.
What aspects do you like or dislike about your job?
I always go on business trips to other cities, and I can enjoy some leisure time after I finish my work in the place. I really like it. The only problem is that sometimes I have to work overtime, and I'm a little exhausted. I'm working as. My responsibility is to always dream that having enough money so that I don't have to work hard. It seems that money is the only incentive to work. What's your opinion on money and work? No money, no honey. But if you only work for money, it would be quite boring. For me, work is something I must do to get accepted by the society. I am always rewarded with accomplishment, which is really worth the effort. I think one purpose for people to work is to make money, and another purpose is to join the society, to communicate with people. The work should be a way for everyone to accomplish the personal development.